Them the same two birds from the park that were protecting their nest. They just tried to drop down on something, but I missed it. I ain't hecka far away. They were just so close, I missed it. I just had another video too on my phone went dead while I was recording. But I'm back though. You feel? Them some big ass birds, y'all. I ain't lurking on something right now. I ain't lurking. Wish I would just caught that other drop they just did. I ain't lurking. They need to come closer though, man, so y'all can see how big they is. They back over there where I first seen them at, over there by the park. Ain't hella far away. This iPhone 16 got good zoomers. Where the other one go? That's only one of them. The other one probably done, you feel me? Oh, there go the other one while I'm talking. Oh, what that little third bird doing? I see it. They finna, oh yeah, they on him. Look, he playing. He playing. They finna get on him. Boy, you better stop playing, boy, before you become lunch. Oh, they on him. Boy, see, they on him. They on him. They on him. You better stop playing. They coming back towards this way now.